Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Saraswati Puja, which is also called Bengali's Valentine's Day, is going to happen within few days. Today I have created this soft glowing makeup with smoky eyes, which is wearable during daytime and can be pulled off by anyone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I have already washed and moisturized my skin and have also applied sunscreen. Now I am going to apply primer. I am using the PAC Zero Pore Separation Cream as a primer wherever I have large pores. It will help to minimize the appearance of my large pores and will also help the makeup to stay for a longer time. After that, I am applying the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer as the base of my eyeshadow and blending it by my fingers. Then I am applying the Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder to set the base. Now I am using a yellow corrector wherever I have pigmentation or to cover up my dark circles. Now I am applying a black kajal pencil on my upper lid. I don't need to draw a neat line as I will be smudging it. Now I am going to use this matte brown eyeshadow which has a muted red undertone in it and packing it at the outer corner of my eyes and into the crease with the help of a blending brush. Blend out the eyeshadow properly so there ain't any harsh lines. Just do the same with your another eye. After that, I am taking this pinky brown eyeshadow and packing it just at the outer V portion of my eyes. Then with the help of a same blending brush, I am blending it in rounding motion and taking it into the crease to create some depth. Now I am using this light pink shimmery eyeshadow and applying it just at the center portion of my eyelid by my finger. Now I am taking this shimmery dark brown eyeshadow and packing it at the outer V portion of my eyes. With the help of a blending brush, I am blending everything properly. Now it's time for applying foundation. Here I am using the PAC HD liquid foundation. As its finish is dewy, so it will add a nice glow to your face. With the help of a damp beauty sponge, I am blending out my foundation. As it is winter, so I won't go for heavy contouring, but I would do a little bit just to add some definition to my face. Now I am going to use a concealer which is lighter than my skin tone just at the center portion of my face to give a nice highlighted effect. Again I am applying the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder wherever I have applied concealer. Now I am using little bit of bronzing powder. I am using the sugar bronzer here and it is not much pigmented. Now I am using a black kajal at my lower waterline. Then again I am taking that matte brown eyeshadow and applying it at my lower lash lines. Now I am using a brown brow pencil to fill up the sparse area of my brows. Then I am using a spoolie brush to brush my hairs to avoid any kind of harsh lines. Now I am curling my lashes with an eyelash curler. After that, I am applying a thick coat of mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Now I am using a pink liquid matte lipstick here. I will list down all the products I am using here in the description box below. Now it's time for applying blush. As it's winter and I have very dry skin, so I am using a pink lipstick as a blush here. After applying it with the help of a brush, I will blend it out. I am also using a liquid highlighter here as it looks more natural during daytime. So guys, this is my finished makeup look. You can do any kind of hairstyle with this makeup. Being a bong, I also have fascination for bindi. So guys, hope that you will like this look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy this Saraswati Puja. Take care.